Hello guys, I hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to show you how you can edit and update your avatar on Facebook. First of all, go to your profile and click on the edit button. Once you're here, you can see an edit button alongside the avatar. Now click on it, and here you can see your avatar. Now you can edit your avatar using all of these options here. Now if you want to change your hair, you can choose any one of these and match to your liking. And you can also add makeup and change your outfit from these buttons. Now once you're done, you can click on finish editing and save your avatar. And now your avatar is being updated. And once your avatar is updated, you can click on done and refresh your page, and you can see for yourself that your avatar has been updated. I hope this helps you to change your avatar, and thank you for watching this video.